Hey everyone, I'm going to do one more problem with you in case you need more support. If not, go ahead and try the exit ticket and see how you do. You can try it more than once if necessary. All right, so my goal today is to go from slope-intercept form where we have y equals mx plus b and end with standard form. And remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. And in standard form, that a value must be positive, and x and y must be on the same side of the equal sign. So let's go ahead and look at this equation. I notice that y already has a side all by itself, so I'm going to move the x to the other side. To move it, I need to get rid of it, so to get rid of negative 4x, I do the opposite of minus 4, which is plus 4x. And remember to do that to both sides of your equation. All right, and a negative 4x and a positive 4x make 0. They're gone. So I'm left with on this side not just 6, but a negative 6 equals, I notice on this side we have a positive y and a positive 4x. I like to write my x first, so I'm going to write that positive 4x first and then add a positive 5 to the end. Let's look at it. Does it meet our expectations? Are x and y on the same side of the equal sign? They are. And is the number in front of the x positive? It is. So we are now done with this equation. All right, let's go ahead and write it next to standard form. So our standard form is negative 6 equals 4x plus y. Can you see it all? You can. All right, let's go ahead and go back to this original equation, that slope-intercept equation, to solve for my slope and y-intercept. Remember, slope is the m value and y equals mx plus b. So our m value is this, negative 4. Our y-intercept, on the other hand, is our b value, and y equals mx plus b. So our b value isn't just 6, it is a minus 6. Now let's go ahead and solve for our x-intercept. Remember, x-intercept is when y equals 0. All right, let's go ahead and use this equation this time. Y equals 0, and in front of that I have a negative 4x and a minus 6. Draw that line so we can solve. My goal is to get x by itself, so I'm going to get rid of this minus 6 first by adding 6 to both sides. Negative 4x is what I have left, because a negative 6 and a positive 6 make 0, and 0 plus 6 is just 6. Last step will be to get rid of this negative 4. I would divide by negative 4, because it's currently multiplying with that x. Negative 4 and negative 4 make that 1, so I'm left with x equals negative 6 fourths, but I can simplify it. I notice that 2 goes into both 6 and 4. 2 goes into 6 3 times, so I have negative 3 over 2 goes into 4 2 times. So my x-intercept is negative 3 halves. I'm now done with number 3. I want you to go ahead and try the exit tickets now. Good luck.